We'll just hold it in, ladies. You alright? You good? There we go. Look, the clean bit on the side of your leg. You good? Try and go on the side, a bit easier. Therese, honestly, you don't make it easy for yourself, do you? You might as well, yeah.
You know why? Because it's a softer landing.
My recommendation is just stay on your feet.
When you fall, it don't hurt so much. Oh, that's another one down.
Another one bites the dust.
You okay?
Yeah. You coming on Tuesday, Teresa? You running on Tuesday?
To where?
Just the running club.
Oh yeah. It's road for 10k though, isn't it?
Is it on Tuesday?
Yeah.
Oh. So is there going to be anyone at the running club?
Well, as far as I'm aware there is. So I know Charlotte's, she wanted me to do it, but I just weren't prepared to pay 17 quid. Go to a fucking race.
Yeah.
But you know that I can run any time.
Yeah. Are we going to start running again? A bit more even, not quite so slippy?
Yes. I need to do some
Don't want to seize up. Come on, ladies! It's a sheep field, what do you expect? You're going to white your lips as well? Come on then, look at these rolling hills. Look, there's the slide you can clean off over there. Look, Teresa, there's a slide. Alright, we are a running club. Are we ready to run? Meh. Come on, oh, just forget about it. Take it out if it's going to stab you. We are a running club, we shall run. Oh, don't worry, we will have. You put fair liquid in them, just clean them up. That is good. I like that. I think that's where you fell down in the back. In the mud back there where Teresa decided face plant.
You're not bothered now, are you, Teresa?
And I won't be doing one again.
Look at those faces!
Yeah, mine's cleaner now.
Keep yourself loose, get some high knees going. Side steps. Oh yeah. Top tip, don't wear underwear. It gets there anyway. What goes down must come up though. Me neither. Well done. You're one of the few people that haven't. 3 entire kilometres, people! No, it's wherever they move it. Last time I done it, we done it in reverse. Oh, those two. All good? $3K, ladies. That's no good. Don't hurt yourself. Oh, I just bit my mother over there, that was good. Oh no, this is the bug I got stuck in. Shit. Full speed ahead. I got stuck here last time, and the first time. Yeah. Oh, there's logs. There was a bog last time. Ooh. Who's going to fall over just so I can like record it? Cheers, dude. How slippy they doing? right, Craig. Ha ha ha! Right hand side one. I saw you, screw that noise. I saw you and Craig struggling, screw that noise. I'll save you. You alright? Oh, it's all dry and I'm starting to feel stiff.
I've got no cleaner on to like wipe anything up.
You've got to clean a bit like around here, up near your neck. Yeah, so what you need to wipe.